Guys, I honestly don't know how to react right now. I can't believe I'm currently doing this video because I never thought I would film this video this, like, by this time of this year. I've always had the intention of filming this video, but like probably by the end of the year, not this time, not this month, not even next month, to be honest. But I'm so grateful to God that I'm finally filming this video right now. Guys, I don't know how to react, but guys, I finally got my camera, and I already filmed an unboxing video for TikTok, so you guys can check it out on TikTok. By the time you're watching this, it's already been on TikTok. It's already on TikTok, so like some of you that are following me on TikTok would have probably seen this video. Sorry, I'm not even thinking straight. Some of you that are following me on TikTok would have already watched the video. I also bought some other things like the camera case. I got SD cards. I got all this from Amazon, and I also got a tripod stand. This is the SD card reader, and these are extra batteries. The camera I've always wanted to buy has always been the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but I started checking for the reviews online, and then I found out that it has some, like, in the future it might have problems turning on like the screen, and I was like, I cannot invest a crazy amount of money on something and few years or few months after I'm going to have issues. So I started making my research, like, okay, since DJI Osmo is like a no-go area, I was like, okay, next is Canon G7X, right? But like it's like very expensive, to be honest. So I decided to try the Sony company, and I like the Sony ZV-E10, but like I finally settled for the Sony ZV-1, not the Sony ZV-1F, but the Sony ZV-1, because I found out that the quality is also so good. Like, it's also nice. And yeah, the thing is, I don't even know how to use a camera, but I just got the camera first. Like, that's like the first step. Right now I can learn how to use a camera. But anyways, guys, this is what the camera looks like. And I got this case from Amazon also. Like, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Like, this camera is so small. Like, it's literally like half of my phone, honestly. And it doesn't even look like the price. And guys, if you're planning on getting a camera or whatever, try to get it now, because I don't think the prices are going to reduce anytime soon. Just try to get it now. I want to find out that the camera costs like $200 extra. So this is your time to get your camera, and I'm so happy. If you guys have any like tips on how to use the camera, because I'm just going to check YouTube and other apps to know how to use a camera, because I only use my phone to film, and I also edit on my iPad. So like this is like a very big step, like a very big change. So I need to learn how to film the camera, how to edit videos, and finally you guys get like good quality videos now. Like, and this is also summer, so apart from working, I think like content creation and my nails business, those are the main three things that I want to do this summer, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. If you guys you guys can obviously see how happy I am. Like, I'm so happy. And I also got my hair done yesterday. I decided to try a new style. I've never gotten short braids in my life. Like, ever since they gave it to me, I've never ever gotten short braids done. So this is like the first time, and I actually like it. I like the color. So enough yapping, but I just wanted to film this video because like you guys deserve to hear, like you guys deserve to see this video. This is not like my reaction video. My reaction video is also on TikTok, so you guys should check that out. But like, this month is already blessed, and happy new month, guys. This is the month of May. Let me turn on the camera so you guys are going to see it. I've not done anything. It's still asking me to set the time and date, but I'll do that later. Can you guys see? Oh my god. So let me flip the camera. So guys, this is what it looks like. I don't know why it's not focusing on my face, but this is what it looks like, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. And this camera is like one of the best things that has happened to me this year. Actually, that's the only thing I can remember, to be honest. But the time is currently 4:03, and I'm just about to start my day. Because tell me why I slept by 5 a.m. I also don't know. But today is a free day for me, and I have few things to do. I wrote everything yesterday. This is what my camera looks like with the tripod. Yeah, I'm so happy. Now I'll be motivated to film, like to also vlog for YouTube, because one thing about me, everything that I do is in my head. Like, I have problems with actually executing my plans. So having a phone, like I can just easily use my phone for TikTok while I'm filming for YouTube, which makes everything like easy for me. But for today, I'm not doing TikTok. I'm actually like a perfectionist, and before I film something, I must plan, like I must write it, say this first, do this first, blink like this, smile like this, and I want to stop because that's actually what's stopping me. When I finally film, before I edit my video, hey, right now I'm about to brush my teeth and have my bath. Hope you guys enjoying this vlog. I don't know what it's going to be about, but I know it's a vlog. So thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for being here, and I hope you guys watch till the end, like actually. So I'm going to be using my face moisturizer, which is also CeraVe. CeraVe. If you're watching this, please sponsor me. Yeah. After my skincare now, I'm going to go and cook. Then after I cook, I'm going to do my lashes and face mask. I think that makes more sense because I'm hungry. But anyways, that's all for my skincare routine, apart from sunscreen. Even though I'm supposed to use my sunscreen. No sunscreen today. But yeah, I'm just wearing this black top and this pants. I got this from, I don't know, I got it from the mall. Guys, the scent of the day is this body mist from Bath and Body Works. No, I think I'll use this one. This one is like almost finished, so I'm going to use this one, this strawberry pound cake, and I love it. Like, I actually love it. I'm just going to use this finish today because I want to vlog for TikTok. My phone is low. My phone is like 58%. So guys, now that I'm done, I'm expecting a client today. A nails client, guys. And it's a simple set, so it's nothing crazy. Like when I'm close to my period, I tend to get like motivated to do like self-care and like arrange my things. Because tell me why yesterday I did not check my tracker or whatever, so like I was not expecting it to get. But like yesterday that I decided to like do my face mask, my lashes, my nails, my everything, that's when I saw Miss Lady, and like I'm so happy because like I get to feel cute during this time of the month. So I don't know if I'm the only one, but like I would actually love to know if I'm the only one. Guys, I woke up looking like this, by the way. So I'm going to catch you guys after I finish taking. I'm going to catch you guys later. Guys, I don't know what I'm saying, but like you guys should just bear with me. So guys, after my little maintenance routine, this is what my vanity looks like. Let me show you guys. See, so I need to arrange it. This one, just like my camera boxes or no, I want to keep some. Oh my god, I want to keep some. My extra batteries are in here, and I think I'm going to trash this one. Yeah, I'm going to trash this one. I'm not trashing this one. So like I just want to arrange, or I just want to arrange everything. Hold on, guys. This is the next day, by the way. So you guys will have watched. You guys check out my TikTok, so you guys will see my video, my maintenance, like DIY maintenance video on TikTok. I hope this thing is recording. Oh yes, it's recording. So first, my candle. This one. I can't wait to use this one. But like, yeah.